Yoga changed my life in ways I'd never thought possible, and it wasn't just the physical practice. See, as human beings, we all consist of 4 dimensions: our physical body, our mental body, our emotional body, and our spiritual body. What they often teach us in school is that our 4 dimensions are separate compartments, absolutely independent from one another. And so we grow up without realizing how much body, mind, heart, and soul are actually connected. We treat them like they're different identities that belong to separate drawers, and we tend to focus only on some of them, usually the ones that are easier for us to relate to. But till the time we neglect even just one of these 4 dimensions, we never live a fulfilled and balanced life. The constant feeling that something is missing will always creep in, leaving us unsatisfied and wondering, what are we missing? The path of yoga incorporates all these 4 dimensions. It's all about synchronizing and harmonizing the connection between these dimensions of our beings, between your heart, mind, body, and soul. It's not just a physical practice for the young and bendy, even though the physical fitness and calisthenic type of yoga is what has become really popular in the modern age. And with the new Instagram and Facebook yoga queens and kings, when we think of yoga, we can't help but picturing a super fit woman or man showing off, a new pair of leggings while attempting to balance on their hands. And listen, there is nothing wrong about starting to practice because we want to be fitter and look better. The thing is that if we stop there, we're going to miss out on the best part. When people hear that I lost 44 pounds thanks to yoga, they immediately ask me, what was the pose that made it happen? And how often should I practice it? The thing is, yoga did not change my body through poses on the mat, even though I totally love them. It got me to strive towards the healthiest version of my body rather than the skinnier and stronger or leaner version of it, all things that eventually happened as a side effect. It made me aware of my thought patterns around food. It helped me realize I was enough already. And from that place of feeling I was enough, I could only grow stronger. Ever since I stopped thinking of myself as a defective piece, self-love became accessible. And when you love yourself, everything changes. Your relationships, your career, your chances for success, your health. It is so powerful. We fill our body and mind with so much garbage that we end up losing that connection to who we really are and what we really need. We're just full of stuff. Our inner tuning is off. The light is still there, but it gets covered up with unnecessary layers. And it's not just the food I'm talking about here. Researchers have shown that even our thoughts and emotions get stuck into our body through something that's called the fascia. The fascia is the connective tissue that surrounds every muscle, blood, vessel, and cell, creating a sort of 3-dimensional web that goes from head to toes. Now, through the work we do on the mat, we help keep this connective tissue hydrated and juicy. So we keep our body young and we age gracefully. But by restoring its fluidity, we also let go of any mental and emotional baggage that's been stuck in there. And by constantly releasing this baggage stuck in the fascia, our body feels lighter and our mind feels clearer. We become more in tune with who we really are and what we really need, and making the healthier choices in our life becomes so much easier. It's truly a life-changing experience. If you would like to learn more, join me in the free masterclass with Mindvalley, where you will learn how to achieve radical transformation at all levels in your life through yoga. I will see you there.